Did you know that structural vehicle damage means less safety for you and your family in the event of a car crash? Any type of collision or impact that your car experiences may affect your frame strength, which means that your vehicle could be a safety hazard to drive. Because your frame makes up the structural integrity of your vehicle, it's absolutely essential that it remains in tip-top shape. A sound frame keeps your doors aligned, supports its bumper, motor, and serves as the foundation and protection for the rest of your car. If your frame needs work, you have less protection for you and your vehicle's occupants. The worst part? Frame damage can be tough to diagnose for the untrained eye. It's better to be safe than sorry, so allow our certified collision experts to check it out for you. If you have car frame damage, we'll get that fixed, straightened, and welded back to shape to make your car safe to drive again.